10 legitimate ways to make money online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of online money-making opportunities. If you've ever wondered how to earn a steady income from the comfort of your home, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll reveal 10 legitimate and proven ways to make money online. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. Freelancing. First up, we have freelancing. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or web developer, websites like Upwork and Fiverr are buzzing with opportunities. You can offer your skills and expertise to clients worldwide and earn money based on your talents. Online surveys. Want to make some quick cash in your spare time? Participate in online surveys. Companies are always seeking feedback from consumers, and you can get paid for sharing your opinions on products and services. E-commerce. Ever dreamt of having your own online store? Now's the time to turn that dream into reality. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy to sell products, handmade crafts, or digital goods to a global audience. YouTube channel. Hey, that's what we're doing right now. Creating a YouTube channel is an excellent way to earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Find your passion, start creating engaging content, and watch your channel grow. Virtual assistants. If you're an organizational wizard, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs and businesses need help with administrative tasks, social media management, and customer service. Stock photography. Are you a photography enthusiast? Turn your hobby into a cash cow by selling your images on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Online courses and ebooks. Share your knowledge and expertise with the world by creating online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Udemy and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to reach a vast audience and generate passive income. Dropshipping. Another popular online business model is dropshipping. You can set up an e-commerce store without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the product is directly shipped from the supplier to the customer. Affiliate marketing. Get rewarded for promoting products you love through affiliate marketing. Earn commissions every time someone makes a purchase using your unique affiliate link. App development. Last but not least, if you have a knack for technology, consider developing apps. There's a massive demand for mobile apps, and you can earn money through app sales or in-app purchases. And that wraps up our list of 10 legitimate ways to make money online. Remember, success in any of these ventures requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance. Choose the path that aligns with your interests and skills, and get ready to embark on an exciting online money-making journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy money making everyone!